Introducing the Ride or Die Trio. This is the first time ever we put these three side by side. It's really crazy and much overdue. This is not a flex video. We're actually selling the Bronco. It's leaving tomorrow. So this video is an appreciation video of what I feel like is a strong family lineup. We've got the son, the father, and the wifey. And this used to be the OG right here. My original Indo-Raptor. So much it went into this one. Knew we had something, a precedent that we could set in the market, and it's truly been a great ride, and we have much more coming to you as well. Raptor R and Bronco. Hence the reason why we're getting rid of this Bronco is it's time to run it back. It's time to do another rendition. We decided and we're debating what we should do, what we should get. Should we get the Escalade V? Should we downsize even more and go Explorer ST? And it just kept coming back. The wifey just kept saying, Bronco, Bronco. So, and really wanted to run it back with silver again too, y'all, but like maybe Bronco Raptor in silver, maybe. Yes, that's what I'm hoping and thinking for, or maybe a white Wild Track. Just got to be a hard top because the vision on, let's check out the Bronco, the vision on it was paint match. Opportunity for, it had the black option taken away from us. The gray it's all right. I mean, the silver with the gray, it needed to be at least silver with black. If it was silver with black, that variation would work. So I'm disheartened that they took away the black hardtop because to me, that would have been a good balance and not make me want to spend all the money to paint match. But so glad we did the paint match up top, fender flares, and the bumpers. So really the bumpers, shout out Adiga Desert Designs, the bumpers really are the center stage, the piece that really truly transformed this. And got to come up with a better cool name because this is an Apex Edition / Covert, however you want to look at it. The suspension's not modified, but it's on a 2-inch kit, Bilstein from Ford. So it's really a Covert, you know, just because we didn't modify above stock. So 2 Indo-Raptors side by side in Iconic Silver again in Race Red. The Iconic Silver came because Race Red was no longer available. Still tears me apart. So look for more Race Red stuff coming from us soon. But this one right here is another tribute, a two-face, the first ever, the Redline rendition with, really it's a Georgia Bulldog truck with the silver and black. It's Bulldogs, you know, it's what I'm truly passionate about. Another great thing. So Redline inspired truck right here. And then we even talked about possibly doing red on this to match these two together, but glad we did not because it's so clean the way it is just with the black and the silver. Let's go out back. Side shot of this Wild Track Sasquatch Bronco is truly iconic. It looks like an old school Bronco. It looks like a Range. It looks like an International Scout. It has a totally different vibe to it now that we've done all of our paint match. Initially did the Iconic Silver hardtop and even did this portion here, that B pillar in Iconic Silver. And I did not like it. Yes, that's how the Sahara and Rubicon Wranglers look, but I just did not like the way that presented itself. So cleaned that up, did that back to gloss black. And another thing, this comes a texture black from the factory. So did it gloss black. It needed to be painted anyway because the texture black, when you're looking here from the side, aesthetically, you see a breakup here of a matte black look. So got to do that gloss black as well. That's the detail, y'all. That's the detail that they're not thinking about. We got 22s, what you know about it. We got trails, the fender flares as well, and again the design bumpers out back, truly iconic. The Stealth Fighter, and we've got Roush exhaust on here. See, I'm forgetting about things, babe. I'm forgetting we got Roush exhaust, we got intake. There's so many things. Now I will say that I truly believe that Bronco is a must-have for your family because it drives so much better than we were anticipating. It really has impressed me of how plush and refined it is, especially compared to a Jeep. I'm not a Jeep hater at all. I love Jeeps. So just knowing how good it drives and how all the amenities and the fit and finish is all right where it should be, and then taking the top off. Couldn't get her to put the top back on all summer, doors and all, y'all. So it's a different vibe. It's a whole different experiencing it. Like, I'm hooked too. We're going to have a Bronco in our family, you know, for the repeat. So going to run it back. Don't know what color yet, or if it's going to be the Raptor or what. So stay tuned for that. Signature iconic rear here with the LED around the tail lights on both sides. You got the 2nd gen and 3rd gen tail lights, slightly different. Applique slightly different too, but the silver and the red with all of our Indo-Raptor options, to me, is the baddest way you can go. So look, listen, I need Tom Brady, okay? I need The Rock, The Rock and Tom Brady need Real Deal, all right? Y'all drive Raptors, okay? And they're not regular Raptors, but they're not indoor Raptors. I'm telling you, somebody make sure this gets in front of my boys, okay? These three beauties are truly special to us, but we know we have more. Look at here, look at here. Yes. So Brady and I are racing this coming weekend, Southern Roots Racing in Lincoln, Georgia. I've been wanting to do this all my whole life, y'all. And Brady said he wanted to do it, so we're doing it, y'all. We are ready. We truly can't express how much we're gonna miss this. Like, to us, this is the baddest Bronco on the planet. And it's going to Idaho, Big Wood Roofing. Great people out there, y'all, truly special. They have another special truck from us as well, but they're getting a one of one, and I'm so glad that they're the ones that's getting it. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more to see what we replace here and what's to come with the Raptor R for Real Deal. Peace out.